Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant's error code VAN-102. So basically this error code is a connection error for Valorant. So before we do begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, comment down in the comment section down below if you do have any questions during the video, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So first things first, on your keyboard, or make sure that Valorant is basically closed. On your keyboard, click on Windows plus R and this window should pop up. Go ahead and type in services.msc, click on OK. Once done, this window should pop up. Once over here, go ahead and scroll down until you see the section that says VGC. As you can see, this is VGC right over here. Go ahead and right click on VGC, click Properties, and this VGC will open up a property windows. Go ahead and go to the startup type, click on the drop down, and make sure to make this automatic. Once you make this automatic, click on apply and then OK. Once done, go ahead and relaunch your game and see if the problem still persists. Now if the problem still persists, next thing is basically flashing the network and DNS settings. To do that, click on your Windows right over here, type in cmd, run as administrator. This window will pop up and type in netsh winsock reset right over here. Press enter, and another one is basically ipconfig space flush DNS. Press enter, and as you can see, both are successful. Close this window and relaunch your game. If the problem still persists, go to your right client right over here. On the upper right corner of your profile, click on it, settings, scroll down, and see repair game files right over here. Repair, click on repair, and start repair. So directly this is what it's gonna look like. Wait for it to finish. As you can see, but for me, we don't really have any problem on Valorant right now, so let me go ahead and close that out. So basically, once the repair is done, go ahead and relaunch your game, and it should have an update, as you can see right over here. Go ahead and click on update and launch the game, and it probably will be fixed. Once done, if nothing worked on you, basically go to your Windows right over here and type in add or remove. Basically what we're going to do is basically reinstalling Riot Vanguard itself, and it could be the issue. So basically click on Riot Vanguard right over here and uninstall Riot Vanguard, close Riot Client, close any related owner task manager for Riot Client or Riot Vanguard, right click on it and end task, relaunch your Riot Client over here, and on your Valorant, it should have an option for the bottom before the play. It says update, and it will relaunch your or reinstall your Riot Vanguard. It should pop up on right over here. Once done, restart your PC and it should be fixed. Now I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.